Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will see the computer science MCQ questions for all the competitive exams. So let's start with the video. So our first question is which programming language was primarily developed for a scientific and engineering applications? So our options are first option is COBOL, second is basics, third is Fortran and D is Pascal. So correct answer here is the Fortran, which is used for a scientific and mathematical calculations. So our second question is COBOL is mainly used for. So this language is basically used for the business applications. So correct answer here is option number B. So our third question is which language is regarding as the first pure object-oriented programming language? So first pure object-oriented language is our Smalltalk. Next question is which of the following is not a characteristics of an algorithm? So algorithm must be a finite, must be a definiteness, must be a effective. So the wrong answer, which is not the property of algorithm, is a ambiguity. Next question is which data structures follow the FIFO principle? So FIFO is first in, first out. So this principle is followed by the queue. So here correct answer is option number B. The next question is the time complexity of binary search is. So binary search, we divide our array into a half. So the time complexity here is order of log n. The next question is which sorting algorithm has the best average case time complexity? So best average case time complexity here given options are like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort. So for these three, our time complexity will be order of n square, and for merge sort it is order of n log n. So here the question asks for a minimum average case time complexity. So the correct answer here is option number C, which is a merge sort. So next question is which of the following is an example of system software? So the example of the system software is the Linux operating system. The other are application software. Next question is which software testing technique is performed without executing the program? So the correct answer here is option number C, which is the static testing. Next question is which OOPS features allow one class to acquire the properties of another class? So this property is inhibited by the option number B, which is the inheritance. So the next question is which network topology requires the least amount of cables? So the correct answer here is a bus topology, where we require only one cable. So next question is which SQL command is used to undo changes made in the current transaction? So for the undo operation, we use the rollback command. So the next question is virtual memory is mainly implemented using. So virtual memory is implemented using a hard disk or SSD. And next question is which of the following is not a process state? So here red is our process state, running is also, waiting is also. So the correct answer here is executing file. This is not a process state. Next question is which data structure is used to evaluate arithmetic expressions? So for this we use a stack. So correct answer here is the option number B. Next question is which programming language is most commonly used for embedded system? So the correct answer here is the C language. The next question is which programming language introduced the concept of classes and objects before C++? So the first language which implemented this concept of classes and object is a Simula 67. Next question is, which of the following is not a procedural programming language? So the correct answer here is option number D, which is a Smalltalk. It is not a procedural language, it is a object-oriented programming language. So next question is, which memory stores the BIOS firmware of a computer? So to store a BIOS, we use a ROM memory, which is a non-volatile memory. Our next question is, which normal form eliminates repeated groups? So to eliminate a repeated groups, there is a first normal form. Next question is, which searching algorithm works efficiently on the sorting linked list? So this is the confusing question where we will see the correct answer here is a linear search. Our next question is, which sorting algorithm repeatedly selects the smallest element and places it in its correct position? So the correct answer here is a selection sort. Our next question is, which language is most commonly used for Android application development? So for this purpose, the most commonly used language is Java. Our next question is, which of the following is a fourth generational programming language? So fourth generation programming language was the SQL. Our next question is, which programming language was designed for teaching structured programming and data structuring? So the correct answer is Pascal. Pascal is developed for teaching a structured programming language. Next question is, in C programming, which symbol is used to access a structure member through a pointer? So so here correct option is option number C. Our next question is, which of the following is not an application software? So the correct answer here is option number C, which is a Linux. Linux is our system software. Now the next question is, which of the following is an example of open source operating system? So open source operating system is a Linux. Our next question is, which OSI layer is responsible for error detection using CRC? So it is a layer number 2, which is a data link layer. Next question is, which searching algorithm requires the data to be sorted? So the binary search requires the array should be in a sorted order. Next question is, which programming language does not support object-oriented programming? So option number A, C doesn't support the object-oriented programming. So next question is, which language is named after the mathematician? So Ada Lovelace, which is who is a mathematician, and after that the language Ada get its name. So next question is, which language was developed before COBOL? So the correct answer here is a Fortran, which is used for the scientific and mathematical calculations. Next question is, which software model is best suited when requirements are well defined? So the correct option here is a waterfall model. Our next question is, the default port number of HTTP is. So HTTP is used for the application development. So the port number used here is a port number 80. Next question is, which device connects different networks? So router connects the different networks. Next question is, which data structure is best suited to implement the priority queue? So for priority queue, we use the heap data structure. Next question is, deadlock requires how many necessary conditions? So for deadlock, we requires the 4 necessary conditions. The next question is, which of the following is not an operating system? So the Oracle is not an operating system. Next question is, which language is mainly used for writing Linux kernel module and operating system? So correct option here is the C language. Next question is, which language was developed specifically for artificial intelligence? So the correct option here is a Lisp. Lisp programming language was specifically developed for the artificial intelligence. Next question is, which programming language is known as the mother of all the languages because many modern languages are influenced by it? So the answer here is a Algol. Next question is, which of the following is the correct order of a software development life cycle? So for this, we first require the our requirements, then design, then coding, then testing. So option B is the correct answer here. So the next question is, which of the following is not an relational database? So for a relational database, we construct a table of rows and column. So the MongoDB is not a relational database. Next question is, which OOPS concepts allow the same function name to have a different implementation? So the correct answer here is a polymorphism, which is a more than one form. And our next question is, which of the following is a non-linear data structure? So tree is the non-linear data structure. Next question is, which protocol is used for sending emails? So SMTP is used for the sending mails. Next question is, which protocol is used to securely transfer web pages? So for securely transfer of web pages, we use the HTTPS. So, and the last question we have, which SQL command removes all the rows from the table but keeps the table structure? So it is a truncate command. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.